Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Narja Sultana, Assistant Officer from Ashuganj branch. Today my presentation topic is going through a legal opinion. First of all, we need to know what is the legal opinion. It is an opinion from a particular legal practitioner issued in a letter form about the application of the law, expressing legal conclusions or legal analysis of a transaction or matter which is relied on by the addressee of the opinion. Impact of a legal opinion in IFSC Bank Limited. As IFSC Bank Limited is a first generation bank, it doesn't compromise with quality in any task. In conducting advances, IFSC gives preferences to have proper legal opinion from its respected lawyer. Through proper inspection, it accepts legal opinion provided by the lawyer. Thus, it has been experiencing less classified loans than its competitors. Purpose of a legal opinion is to inform the addressee of the legal effect of a transaction or matter. Characteristics of a legal opinion. A good opinion is practical, specific, and backed up with legal theory and recommends actions. Parts of a legal opinion. There are several parts in a legal opinion. First of all, title and heading, introduction, brief summary of decision, facts, standard of review, analysis, legal reasoning, conclusions. To obtain a legal opinion, we should go through a proper procedure. Step 1. A legal opinion is a document provided by a lawyer who performs the tasks of a legal advisor. Every branch of IFSC Bank Limited has listed legal advisors known as panel lawyer. Obtaining a legal opinion is an important part in loan processing and mortgage procedure. In the borrower selection process, the bankers collect the photocopies of the title deeds and other documents of a security and send them to the legal advisors to scrutinize them to ensure whether they are eligible for mortgage or not. Step 2. The legal advisor examines the documents and gives an opinion to the bank manager. This documented opinion is known as legal opinion. In a legal opinion, the lawyer describes the whole search results based on the title deeds. The lawyer justifies the documents from sub-registry office, AC Land Office and other land authorities just to ensure the documents are valid and free of error. Step 3. The opinion gives a descriptive scenario of the whole chain of ownerships of the land or security. It includes the information regarding CS Khotian, SA Khotian, RS Khotian and its DAG number and the position of the land including its surroundings known as Chauhoddi. The main objective is to confirm the ownership of the land. Up-to-date khazna is also experienced by the lawyer. The lawyer also provides the search certificate of his performances done. Step 4. And in the last para of the opinion, the lawyer tells whether the borrower has the proper ownership on the land and the land is mortgageable or not. And the lawyer also wants the banker to collect the original title deeds and other documents before the mortgage procedure, as whole examination is done based on the photocopies provided by the borrower. Conclusion. Last of all, the banker should collect the original documents required for the specific loan purpose. The banker should collect final copy and making payment to the lawyer. That's all about my presentation. Thank you. Stay safe and stay home in this pandemic situation. Assalamu alaikum.